Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your phone now reminds you automatically. No setup. So guys, this application will be available on the Google Play Store. So make sure to download this application into your device. And now let's just simply open it up. So guys, this application is very simple. It will let you remind automatically. So from here at the top, we have one time and you just simply tap on create, tap on allow, and from here I'm gonna tell this one to remind me that I will have an appointment in 5 minutes, and click on the send icon. From here you should be able to select a date. So let's say I'm gonna go for today, and I'm gonna go for 10 o'clock, and you should have an option to do a repeat as well, and tap on done once you are done. And as you can see, it is now alarming my phone that I have an important reminder. And from here, your phone will automatically make a sound. So just simply go ahead and go to the notification bar and select accept over here. And from here, guys, you should be able to get a reminder of your voiceover, and pretty much it is an alarm with a voiceover on what you will do in a certain time. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.